Hi, did you order an Uber?
I did.
Hey, what's your name?
What's your name?
I actually need you to tell me your name, because for the
Okay,
Uber safety
if
thing.
you really want to know, my name is Linda.
Alright.
Now, what's your name?
I'm Dylan, like...
You Dylan?
Yeah.
Where you from, Dylan? I guess we can talk.
Yeah, you can just get in. Here, I'll move this. Oh, I have a Play Octopus tablet if you want to play games too.
Oh, you do? Did you set this up for me?
I did, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
That's so cute.
I actually make like $100 a month with that.
Wow.
Yeah. I'm kind of a business guy.
You are?
Yeah, this ride is being recorded
What
just
kind of business
for
ride
safety
are you?
purposes. Is that okay that it's being recorded for safety reasons? Just
For
it's like
safety
it's more like insurance, like if I get into an accident.
No, that's what they all say.
Yeah.
Only for safety reasons.
Yeah.
So
but,
where are you from, Dylan?
I am from Malibu.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Malibu.
Yeah.
And what do you do in Malibu? You model?
Well, I grew up in Malibu.
Oh.
Yeah. Now I live in the hills.
Now you live in the hills?
Yeah, I do.
Cool.
Yeah.
Wow. So what
Hollywood,
Do
Hollywood, baby.
what do you do in your free time?
Well, I like to basically do anything that makes me feel alive. Like, I love skydiving, cliff jumping, like underwater diving, snorkeling, traveling, just anything. I hate just sitting, down on my phone like most people do. I feel like I live in a different generation,
You know what, Dylan? Me too.
Really?
I just feel like, yeah, the rest of the world just on their phone, and I just like to, get out and smell the flowers.
Yeah.
Rub my hands in the dirt, if you know what I mean.
In the dirt.
Yeah, in the dirt,
Yeah.
Whip my hair in the ocean.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm a very adventurous girl.
Yeah, so anyways, the Play Octopus thing here, you can take a look at it if you want. You can play trivia games, and
Oh my goodness.
again, I do make money when you play it, so...
You do make money when you play it.
I mean, it's there if you want, you don't have to, but it is
That
really
is
fun.
So sweet.
And you can make $500 too.
That is so sweet.
Yeah, so...
Dylan, thank you.
I like, everything I do, I'm super passionate about, so like, if I'm gonna drive for Uber, I feel like I might as well drive for Uber and be the best. Get Play Octopus as well, so...
What's today?
What's today?
Let's say Friday?
Today is Friday, yeah.
So what do you normally do like on your Friday nights?
Well, I usually start out at dinner, go to dinner somewhere, get a few drinks, get the night started.
Who do you normally go to dinner with?
Who do I normally go to dinner with?
Yeah.
My boys.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do you like to switch things up?
What do you mean?
Like, do you like to, maybe not hang out with your boys for a night? Maybe hang out with like this hot, girl.
I mean, I did
single.
just break up with my girlfriend. Well, she dumped me. I know, it's crazy to say.
That is so crazy.
We were together for 2 years.
Well, are you looking to upgrade?
I don't know. I don't know if I can move on, It was just like, we're so comfortable together. Sorry, this is probably way too much.
You were so comfortable together. Well, you know what? Don't you think there's other people that are probably more comfortable than her?
I don't know.
Like, I don't mean to brag, but I am like comfortable with. Like,
Well,
I am like, your ex-girlfriend is probably like a rocking chair. I'm like a couple $1,000 cushion.
You're like a love seat.
Yeah, you
Love
like
sack?
just soak in, and you just
Are you like the
relax.
cloud couch at Restoration Hardware?
I'm even better.
Even better? That thing costs 20 G's.
I know, I'm worth a lot more than that, so
Are you like insinuating? Are you? What are you doing?
What?
You're funny.
Dylan,
You're funny.
You're so funny. Oh, Dylan. You know what? I don't think I need to go to this destination. I think I want to change it to like maybe a couple hours further. Is that okay?
Hours?
You
No.
want to go on a road trip?
Where do you want to go?
Let's go to like Bali.
Bali? We'd have to fly to Bali.
Yeah, let's drive to the airport. Let's go to Bali.
Really?
You know what? I can't hear you very well. I'm gonna just like, I'm just gonna like hurry and come, forward.
Wait, what are you doing?
I just can't hear you. So I'm just gonna,
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm just gonna...
I have never had someone do this.
Much better.
Okay, are you good? Okay, you're good.
I'm so good.
Oh, hey.
Hi.
Oh my gosh. Hi.
How you doing?
Is
This is so much better.
Normal for you?
Yeah. So what do you want to do in Bali?
Wait, this is normal, so you do this a lot? Because I don't want to just be another...
I mean, do you do this a lot?
Do what?
You know, go on trips to Bali with girls?
I mean, I don't know. I don't really know if I can probably scrape up some cash.
Good, because we need 2 tickets because I'm poor.
You want me to pay? Oh, that's what you're doing here.
What?
You just want a free trip to Bali,
No, I don't. No. So, is your number on the app or is it on?
It's not. It's Uber's number, so you can't contact me actually for safety
so what's
reasons.
your number?
You actually want my number?
Yeah, I mean, don't be...
Just to hang out or what?
I thought we were going to Bali.
Yeah, we can be friends. We could talk about Bali, I guess. I mean, I'd probably have to like...
We can be friends?
Spend a day with you first here just to like see if, you know, we're compatible as friends, you know.
Compatible as friends?
Yeah.
I mean, you're single.
I am. Are you? I mean,
I'm hot.
Didn't you say you had a boyfriend?
I'm really attractive, and I'm very, very comfortable.
You're comfortable?
Very comfortable. You know?
I mean...
And I'm lots of fun. I'm
You are
lively.
You are easy to talk to. I'll give you that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I have many skills. I'm a model. I'm a dancer. I'm honestly, I don't mean to brag, but I'm the
Don't
full
you need
package.
to like book out for your if you're gonna go to Bali?
I'm a full package.
Aren't your agents gonna be mad at you?
You know, they're gonna be fine. I'll
Okay.
say, you know, it's a business trip.
Okay.
It's, you know, we're making business here.
We are making business. That is true.
So what do you think?
About what?
About Bali, about me.
I'll think about it, I guess.
You'll think about it.
Yeah.
What does that mean? You know what? You're giving me mixed signals.
I don't.
It's like you're into me, then it's like you're not into me, and I just need some crystal clear, you know, info coming through. Because right now you are just giving me signal from the left, signal from the right, signal from up, signal from down. You're shooting signals straight to my heart.
Hey, just chill.
I can feel it in my heart.
We're just talking.
I literally can feel it in my heart.
Are you okay?
These signals.
Are you chilling?
You know what? I don't think this is gonna work, Dylan.
Wait, what?
It's not me, it's you.
Are you serious? Oh my gosh. That girl's legit crazy.
Whoa.
You are crazy.
That's really good.
Why is that so like such an accurate way that girls actually behave though?
That is not accurate whatsoever.
Yeah.
That is wrong. So wrong. That was like dramatized.
Wow, what a view.
I had to dig deep into, you know, my...
Alright guys, that was not a real video if you guys didn't know.
Yeah, we're not going to Bali.
I'm kind of bummed out. I was like,
I want to go to Bali.
I don't want to go now. I don't know.
But what we're trying to, you know, display here is what to do if your passenger hits on you.
What do you do when a passenger hits on you? You can... I will just say, there's no, like, rules against not hanging out with your passengers, I think. Or, like, being friends with your passengers.
I feel like if it's in your Uber car, though, just probably stay away from that. Because you never know, like, I could be trying to, like, oh my god, flirt with you, but at the same time, you could I could report you for something, you know? You just want to be safe with that kind of stuff.
If I meet a super cool passenger and she wants to give me her Instagram and I follow her and whatever, then we hang out another day, that's fine. I'm not gonna go hang out with you right now, though.
Yeah.
That's the last thing you want to do.
Because I could report him if he does something. I think it's rather to be safe than...
You want to have it as much disassociated.
I could be looking for money and trying to file a lawsuit against Uber.
Another thing, most of these cases happen at night when passengers are drinking. That is a huge no. You'd never, ever, ever want to.
Absolutely not.
Because
I just think in general, don't.
Yeah.
until
pretty much
like,
no.
Yeah. Unless like you guys are talking on Instagram or something for a while and it's mutual and all the signals are there.
Yeah, I would be very, very cautious. But if I meet a dude and he's like, oh, you know what? Actually, my Uber driver the other day, he had Play Act. I don't know if he's watched the Rideshare Hub. Like, you're a subscriber, right? You have post notifications on?
Post notifications on.
So you saw that.
Up every video.
So I actually had a Lyft driver the other day who he had Play Octopus, and I actually filmed a video with him because I interviewed him, and so yeah, I have his number now. But it's like, you guys see what I'm saying. There's ways to be not creepy about it, like not weird about it. So I would say usually no, but if it's like normal, like, I don't know, honestly probably not.
Honestly, yeah, probably not, but
just don't do it.
Hey, you never.
Yeah, and definitely don't do it. Definitely, I had a Lyft driver the other day. He was taking me to the airport, and the driver told me, he was like a newer driver, and I was like, oh, I've been driving for a year or so, and he's like, oh, do you have any tips for me? And I'm like, oh, whatever, just like make sure to ask your passenger's name before they get in, because you don't want to, like, that's probably the biggest mistake. And he's like, okay. And he's like, yeah, I'm having so much fun with it. I'm so surprised that my passengers invite me out to the bars, and I go with them all the time.
You're like,
and I'm like, bro,
don't do
that you're gonna, like,
find your friends another way.
Because the thing is, think about it. Even if you go out with your passengers and they're totally sober, you go out with them, you sleep with one of them's drunk, and it's a whole case or whatever.
Would it be with Uber?
They're gonna say,
connect it.
The whole story's gonna come out. There's been stories about how my Uber driver raped me.
It's horrible.
Because the passengers, like, they can't give consent, and it's way worse if you don't know them. You're a complete stranger to them.
Yeah.
And you're involving work with pleasure, and you don't want to do that. So,
no.
Anyways,
keep it professional.
Keep it professional, guys. Keep it in your pants.
Yes.
Alright. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Let us know if you do like the style of videos where we do the skits with tips.
With the info.
With the info. We are genuinely curious if you do like them. We will do more. If not, we will cut it. Thank you guys for watching. We're always trying to come up with new ways to provide value to y'all. So if you enjoy it, let us know.
Entertain and value.
Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
See you.